This is the shuttle to Times Square. Step all the way in. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Sing along Saturday, so you have to sing. Go into the bridge. When I go like this, all you have to do is go, hey, and it's going to feel great. It will make your whole weekend. And if you're smiling, it means it's a good indicator you're confident enough to enjoy this. So let's go. Here we go. What's up, YouTube? Keep it low,